Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 8437 Roosevelt Drive in Gasport. This is a spectacular and newer picture-perfect ranch with one floor living at its best. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. The beautiful stonefront exterior and front covered porch, along with the leaded glass door and side light, welcomes your family and friends to this amazing property. The hallmark of this special property is this entertainment-sized great room with beam ceilings, a gas fireplace, and custom built-ins. All open to the designer white and bright kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and a center island. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, with a spacious dining area. This area also has access to the two-car garage. This bedroom wing has 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths plus a laundry, including this spacious and private primary suite with a walk-in closet and beautiful bath with dual sink vanity. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the interior and exterior details, with 9-foot poured concrete foundation walls with egress window, which provides great expandability for another approximately 1,800 square feet for a potential activity room, media room, bedroom, and great additional living space. Maintenance-free siding, thermal windows, concrete driveway, and more. The beautiful landscape lot is the perfect size, along with a great shed for additional storage. With access from the great room, you will enjoy relaxing in this ultimate cathedral ceiling covered porch with accent lighting and ceiling fan to cool you down on those wonderful summer evenings. Roosevelt Drive is an area of fine homes close by everything Gasport and Western New York has to offer. Gasport is one of the best kept secrets of Western New York. It is right on the picturesque Erie Canal with hiking trails and parks. There are several great restaurants and shops, and also has a boat launch too. The community spirit is exceptional with even a community garden. Just a wonderful area to enjoy and live. And travel the Erie Canal to many great New York State locations. Nearby Gasport is the Lockport Country Club, as well as the Iroquois National Wildlife Refuge and the Tonawanda Wildlife Management Area, featuring birding trails. This is nature at its best. So enjoy spectacular country living with easy access to Buffalo, Batavia, Lockport, and Rochester. Well, I hope you enjoy the tour of 8437 Roosevelt Drive in Gasport. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.